These are the kids from downtown Kitambo on the beat.
Mbote na bino nyonso. Pe boyeyi malamu na Lingala Kitoko. Lelo toko yekola ba mikolo ya konje pona batu nyonso tope ba mikolo ya férié na RDC. Na zali molakisi na bino ya Lingala JK29. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Lingala Kitoko. Welcome to Lingala Kitoko. Today, we're gonna learn the public holidays in the DRC. I'm your Lingala teacher, JK29. Are you ready to learn? Let's do it. Grab your notebook and pen. Please have a seat. The public holidays in the DRC. Mikolo ya konje tope ba mikolo ya férié na RDC. Tozana. Le 17 mai eza mokolo ya bosomi. Le 17 mai mokolo ya bosomi. Liberation Day is in May 17th. When it is May the 17th in the DRC, that is Liberation Day. Oyelandi, the following one, le 21 juin, eza mokolo ya miziki. Mokolo ya miziki, yango zomi na mobu ya juin, le 21. The music day is in June the 21st. June the 21st is the music day in the DRC. Oyelandi, the next one, mokolo ya mokili mobimba ya tourisme. Mokolo ya mokili mobimba ya tourisme, yango ezalaka le 27 septembre. The World Tourism Day is in the 27th of September. When it is the 27th of September in the DRC, that is the World Tourism Day. Tokoba, let's continue. Le 31 décembre, eza mokolo ya eyenga ya mobu ya sika. Eyenga ya mobu ya sika, yango ezalaka le 31 décembre. The New Year's Eve, that is December the 31st. Mokolo ya mobu ya sika tobo nana, yango eza le 1er janvier. New Year's Day in the Congo is in January the 1st. January the 1st is the New Year Day in the DRC. Mokolo ya bilombe. Mokolo ya bilombe pona Laurent Désiré Kabila yango eza le 16 janvier. Pe mokolo ya bilombe pona Lumumba Patrice Emery Lumumba yango eza le 17 janvier. De mikolo wana eza mikolo ya bilombe. The Heroes Day, the first one for Laurent Désiré Kabila, is the 16th of January. January the 16th is Kabila, the Father's Day. That is Heroes Day for Laurent Desire Kabila. Then, January the 17th is Patrice Lumumba Day. Patrice Lumumba Day is the 17th of January, and Laurent Desire Kabila's Day is the 16th of January. Mokolo ya Mosala, yango eza le 1er Mai. Mokolo ya Mosala. Labor's Day is May the 1st in the DRC. Mokolo ya ekolo ya kobongola makambo. Mokolo ya ekolo ya kobongola makambo. To révolution. Pe RDC yango ezwami to ezalaka le 17 May. The National Day of the Revolution and 4DC is May the 17th. May the 17th is the National Day of the Revolution and 4DC in the Congo. 4DC is, what is 4DC? In English, 4DC, FARDC. It is the land forces, also called the Congolese Army, are the land warfare component and the largest branch of the armed forces of the DR Congo. I repeat, it is the land forces, also called the Congolese Army, are the land warfare component and the largest branch of the armed forces of the DR Congo. Father say is about force terrestre. Babengi pe mapinga ya ba Congolais. Ezali ba composante ya guerre terrestre na branche ya munene ya force armée ya RDC. Mokolo ya lipanda Congolais nyosa yebe yango ezalaka le 30 juin. The Independence Day of the DRC is June the 30th. June the 30th, every Congolese knows that date. That day is for the Independence Day. Mokolo ya baboti yango ezalaka le 1er août. Parents' Day in the DRC is celebrated in August the 1st. August the 1st is the Parents' Day in the DRC. Mokolo ya Noël to Noël, yango zara le 25 December. Christmas Day in the Congo is in December the 25th. The 25th of December is the Christmas Day. Mokolo ya balingami to mokolo ya Saint Valentin. Mokolo ya balingami to mokolo ya Saint Valentin yango zalaka le 14 février. Valentine's Day is in February the 14th. February the 14th is the Valentine's Day in the Congo. Mokolo ya mateya to journée d'éducation yango ezalaka le 30 avril. Education Day is in April the 30th. April the 30th is the Education Day. Equinox ya sanza ya misato yango ezalaka le 20 mars. Equinox ya sanza ya misato. March equinox is found in the month of March the 20th. March the 20th is the March equinox. Mokolo ya basi ya mokili mobimba. Mokolo ya basi ya mokili mobimba. To journée de la femme yango zalaka le 8 mars na Congo. The International Women's Day in the Congo is celebrated in March the 8th. March the 8th is the International Women's Day. Yo, that's it. You have learned all the public holidays in the DRC, which is the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Those were the holidays. In which month and what day are there celebrated. If the today's lesson and the previous one has pleased you, do not forget to like, comment, share with others, and sign up or subscribe. Yo sikawa ba mikolo ya konje to mikolo ya férié na RDC la République démocratique du Congo. Ce qu'il était ya to les soir Lelo c'est précis yoto oeleki ko vous sentez ko chali lo bato ko commenter ko aimer ko partager na ba susu pe ko s'abonner to ko s'inscrire. I will see you next time.